most of our third world countries. If I give an example, mar Kisumu nigi company mar pi miluongo ni Kiwasco. You don't need some of these companies ogergi wasunge, lakini sama wasunge to waonge gi maintenance kata management mag sanitary or water infrastructure. Manongiso ni in gi a very modern way mar distribute pi in the urban centers mag our counties, and it's very good ni daktari wachoni the urban centers are also affected. So you in the modern method of distributing water that is not properly maintained, maokobedo properly managed, and now all distribute unclean, contaminated water to the urban centers. So the result is podwangisoji modake urban centers ne nyaka gi treat that very water that already you have paid taxes to be treated. Koro, my parting shot in this three things maasewacho, any counties onego invest one on the people, mondo wa eradicate poverty. Sama wa eradicate poverty to wa eradicate all these infectious diseases. Walongi ni infectious diseases. Number two ni employment of expertise. Sama dakteche wacho ni wadwaro ni wa employ more doctors, more healthcare workers. Okwa wach kamano nikech we want to be employed. No. Wawacho kamano nikech from the public health point of view, sama wangi expertise on the ground. From the curative level to the preventive level, then the health mag nyikwa Ramogi bedo improved. And also, it is a vicious cycle. And also, their livelihood is improved because pesa magi ditiyogo mar ng'iewo yath, ginya tiyogo chulo school fees. Thank you.
Erokamano ahinya. Aparo ni mago gin weche maliwa ahinya. Moko kuom gi wabiro bedo kwatwak ahinya ka bende daktari wacho ni kaka counties nego bed ni invest ne joggi mago jo mabende